2012 J Cruiser. The record here, yung code niya, small detected. Okay, yung code, smoke test natin. Natin ilagay. Let's see. May lip dito sa cup, you know, kung sa may manifold wala, kung makita ang leak, gas cap muna. Sa ilalim nyo lang makita kung may usok. Yan, ito yung canister. Wala, ito lang. Yan o. When I open this, yeah, it's not much.